Hey Tractor Chasers, in today's video we are out in the field with a John Deere S660 combine harvesting corn in the Finger Lakes region of New York State. We're going to watch them harvest and then get up in the cab with Bob to find out how harvest is going for them and also why they chose these wide LSW tires for the combine. This is a cool operation with the 8330 on the grain cart and the Ford grain truck. I love seeing the whole operation, so let's get to it. Alright guys, I am up in the cab with Bob and we're getting some corn harvested. How's harvest going so far for you guys?
Really good. We had record yields this year, better than we've ever seen.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And you guys have some awesome land here right by the Finger Lakes.
Yeah,
good soils.
Some real good Canisius, honey oil llama soils. Produces very, very well.
And I love seeing these big LSW tires on here. How do you like having the wide tires on the combine?
Yeah, I got those last year, and we did get in some mud, and it was pretty wet there. So I got to try them out, and boy, they stay up way better than the duals do, as far as getting in that soft ground. Actually, the back end felt like it needed bigger tires on it because they seem to be going in the ground a little bit. They're sinking in, where the front, I was loaded up and this holds 425 bushel, and it didn't even hardly cut in at all. Very impressed with them.
And probably a little cheaper than buying tracks for this too.
Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely. And then you don't have all the dollies and the maintenance and changing all the fluids in the dollies, and yeah, I guess as long as it don't go flat, you're all good to go.
Yeah. About how many acres per hour or per day can you cover with this 8-row?
It said it was doing between 7 and 8 acres. Harvesting what we got. With the corn running, 235 to 250 some bushel the acre, you can't really go probably as fast as on a kind of a normal year, just because it loads up the inside and then it's blown on the, off the rotor. Even though we run aftermarket concaves and it's helped it out a lot, but we're still we got lots of horsepower and everything. It's just you got to keep it inside and in the tank.
Yeah. And, so all this ground gets plowed every fall.
We only plow the corn ground, and then we chisel plow the soybean ground. We plow in the wheat stubble also. It gets plowed.
Yeah.
And all the corn ground we get soybeans put on it, and most of the wheat stubble too.
Yeah. And so you see a good yield advantage with moldboard plowing this?
Yeah, just the soil to seed contact, and then Mother Nature can work the soil down way better than any kind of mechanical equipment that we have available, that I know of anyways. Freezing out in the winter, and with the soil having 30% clay in it or so, it's heavy soil. So Mother Nature's, I don't know, she can do some magical things to it.
Yeah.
And the other thing that I see with the fall plowing, if you open it up in the spring and then you don't get them rains that you kind of need, and then you lose your moisture, and you've lost moisture that you can never ever get back.
Yeah. About how much harvest do you guys have left?
I think we're going to have, after this, 125 acres or so. We ran out of room, which is a good problem, and we got some tractor trailers coming, and then we can continue on and get done.
Yeah. That's a great problem to have, running out of bin space.
Yes, it definitely, it's the kind of problem you need to have if you're going to have any.
Yeah.
For sure.
Well, hopefully harvest continues on and finishes up just as easy for you guys.
Yeah. Yep, everything, it's been, knock on wood, it's been running good. There hasn't been any failures, so like I said, knock on wood. Hopefully keeps things going good.
Yeah. hope you love being out in the field with this farm working on their corn harvest. If you love to see tractors and harvesting equipment at work, please take a minute to subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.